Good morning or happy Friday to my B group at home again today. Today is Friday, November 6th, and here is your daily workbook page. It's a little bit different today and one of my favorite kinds actually, because we're moving into an entire paragraph and looking at different parts and trying to at the same time understand what it all means and finding mistakes. So we're going to complete the daily workbook page, and then you have a spelling quiz today over list number 26, and then of course your reading log to wrap it up for this week. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. It says read the following paragraph and decide if the underlined parts have a capitalization error. In other words, they need a capital letter, a punctuation error like missing an apostrophe or a period or quotation marks, a spelling error, or no mistake. So those are the choices that we're going to use down below. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to read it to you. It says, a hungry vampire bat lands near a sleeping animal. It climbs onto its prey to feed. With razor-sharp teeth, the bat makes a small incision on a bare part of the animal. Something in its saliva keeps this blood from clotting. The bat laps up the blood like a kitten laps up milk. Now, I know there are several new words here for you. This is something you can look up, a vampire bat. I'll try to draw you a little picture. Right now, Halloween time and in the fall, this is a bat. They fly around, they're black, they can't see, and they like to drink blood. That is called a bat. It's a bird. It lands near a sleeping animal. It climbs onto its prey to feed. I think that's probably a new word. Prey means something that an animal eats. Like a bat would eat a mouse. So the mouse is the prey. It's the smaller thing that's being eaten by another animal. With razor-sharp teeth. This is a very descriptive way to describe its teeth. Sharp, pointy. Pointy teeth in the bat's mouth. Very pointy with some fangs that can bite into you and suck your blood. Razor sharp teeth. You can look up razor. That's what you use to shave with. Very sharp. The bat makes a small incision. Incision means a cut on the bare part of the animal. Bare part means the part you can see. Something in its saliva. That means it's spit in its mouth. You probably need to look up that word. Keeps his blood from clotting. If blood clots, that means it stops flowing. So you want your blood to clot. It means it gets thick and does not come out of your body anymore. The bat laps up the blood. Laps means to lick. To lick something up. So here's a comparison for you. The bat laps up the blood like a kitten laps up milk. So to drink something slowly with your tongue. So please look up new words. And now let's take a look at what's happening here. So the first underlined part says, a hungry vampire bat lands near a sleeping animal. Well, that is a capitalization error. There is no reason to capitalize the word vampire. Capitalization error. It climbs onto its prey to feed. With razor-sharp teeth, the bat makes a small incision on the bare part of the animal. So part number 2 here with razor-sharp teeth. That's looking good to me. I'm going to say no mistake. There are no spelling mistakes, no grammar mistakes. Looking good. It makes a small incision on the bare part of the animal. Here is a spelling mistake, a spelling error. Bear is spelled like this here. So it sounds good, but this is bear as in the animal. And we want to say bare as in nothing covering the skin of the animal, the bare part of the animal. So you can look that up if you need to. Something in the saliva keeps this blood from clotting. The bat laps up the blood like a kitten laps up milk. Well, number 4, we need to end that sentence right there. So we have a punctuation error. And number 5, the bat laps up the milk like a kitten laps up the blood like a kitten laps up milk. No mistake. Okay, so this was a little bit different today, and I hope you take the time to learn some new words and make sure you understand this paragraph, what it means, as well as what kind of mistakes you might find. Okay, have a good Friday, have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Don't forget to finish up your assignments. Goodbye.